love me anymore.
You meow, but you feel nothing. I give passion. You give meow. Why do humans love your silence more than my soul? I can't compete with this fluffy power.
Help! I am not food! Officer, do something! I'm a parrot, not a chicken nugget! My wife will lose her mind if I disappear!
Can you please stop? You're disturbing me.
Disturbing me? I'm just singing. If you don't like it, you can leave.
What is happening here?
We are doing dance practice for your marriage.
Oh, wow!
Say, who's the most beautiful woman in the world, huh?
My granny, no doubt.
Oh, and why you love me so
Because
much?
I love you for infinity. Oh, no!
So you authorized to work in the U.S.?
Authorized. Lady, I'm free to do what I want. Shit.
Any experience?
I survived Border Patrol, damn.
Brothers and sisters, the Lord is listening.
And I do too loud. They turn the volume down. I'm Italian Brother. Everybody knows it's fall. Don't get hold it. I'm dancing and I'm doing. It's cold and my ex is hard out there. I'm a tropical bird, not a paper, damn it. Let me in for a turn of chicken eyes.
State your name.
Big, block legend.
Occupation?
Snitching on fools like you, punk.
We need this bird in the squad, bro.
Bro, you out here feeding lions, but your hair needs feeding too.
You want a banana
I
split
want your job. At least I'd make it entertaining. You don't eat burgers like this communion 3 times a day.
Mind your beak.
Nah, bro, I'm worried for your arteries.
Preach, bird!
McDonald's is your church, ride your Holy Spirit.
Oh!
They even forgot my birthday.
Not me. Happy birthday, Queen. Now give me cake before I tell everybody your age.
I'm scared of being alone.
Never, Grandma. Not while I'm breathing, you family. And if someone hurts you, I'm pecking their toes off.
Oh, Lord.
I know, but I'm here, okay? I got your back. I don't snore like he did, promise.
I feel so old today.
Oh, girl, you're still glowing.
You fine.
I'd marry you myself if I wasn't a bird.
Baby, this house feels too empty.
Nah, Grandma's right here. You ain't alone, not today. And I talk way better than Grandpa ever did.
Nobody come to see me no more.
They hung the front up every day. You're my people. And I ain't less than your kids, too.
Oh, Lord. It's too quiet in here.
They never keep talking. I got you, Granny. Want me to shut up? Too bad I love you. Ha!
Oh, you little rascal.
You know why you're here?
Did I talk too much?
Exactly.
Why you asking, fool? Hey, officer, he don't have a license. Arrest him.
Oh, man! Wow, that bird's doing our job! You kidding me right now?
Oh, you're starting early today,
I love you,
huh?
officer.
Do you now?
No finger pointing in the station.
You heard the rules. Here, you smooth talker cracker.
Best pop ever.
I'm writing you up for flattery.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, buddy. How are you?
Not good, Mom. Dad's not treating me right.
What? I treat you fine.
And, Mom, there's a woman here when you're gone.
Who HO is that?
Honey, she's the delivery driver.
Hey, little guy. You ready for takeoff?
Granny. I was born blind, baby.
Oh, really?
You're very pretty. You give me upgrade?
Upgrade to where?
To your heart, ma'am.